Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother. Start by powering off your HP 15CS laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's essential to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist you with your repair needs. Next, carefully remove the back cover of the laptop. To do this, locate and unscrew the screws on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. After removing all screws, use the plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious here, apply even pressure to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you see inside, as this can help with the laptop's performance. Use compressed air or a soft brush to carefully clean the fan and other areas. This step ensures your laptop runs smoothly after the repair. Now, locate the old LCD cover. You will find screws securing the cover around the edges. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws one by one. Keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover off the screen. If it feels stuck, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the cover is off, you can now access the screen itself. Disconnect the screen's cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. If you're uncertain about this step, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can consult with an expert. Now, carefully remove the old screen by unscrewing it from its mounts. Place the new screen in position and connect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. This is a crucial step, as a loose connection can cause display issues. Next, before reassembling, take a moment to check all connections and components. Make sure everything is in place and that there are no loose screws or cables. If you need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, providing transparency and clarity on any expected costs. Once you're satisfied, align the new LCD cover with the screen and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it fits snugly and that there are no gaps. Reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are in place. Finally, screw the back cover back on using the screws you set aside earlier. Be sure not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the laptop casing. After everything is securely in place, power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, contact us for assistance, and we can help resolve any problems with our home service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.